Hello everybody, this is Sergey. Today I'm going to show you a great resource that you could use to practice English at home. It's a phone application, phone app that you could download on your phone. You can also use this app to practice English on your desktop, on your laptop, a Chromebook, or a tablet. So, in order to download it, you'll have to go to your App Store on your phone and type Learning Upgrade. That's the name of the application, Learning Upgrade. Okay, you will download or install this application on your phone for free. It will take a few minutes to do. Once you install it, you can start using it. So this is what the title, the first page looks like. It has get started, demo, and login buttons. You can click demo button and learn more about this application and its features, okay? Or you can click get started and start using it. You'll choose between learning English and math, okay? You click English button, and then you will have to decide if you want to take a placement test to find out what level you are, or you can start from the very beginning, okay? You can choose between reading and comprehension as well, or choose the grades, okay? So if I wanted to start from the very beginning, I would click beginning, and then I will type my first name, my last name, my email address or phone number. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Search my last name, Brutsky, and I'm going to put my email address. So this will .org. Okay. So once I type my first, last name, and my email address and my phone number, I can click go, okay, and the app will provide my username, my unique password, and a school ID number here. So what you need to do, you need to write this information down because you will be using it whenever you use this application. So this is really important. Okay. So once again, you write down your username, your password, and your school ID. Okay. And then once you're ready, you click go. Okay. There will be an introductory message here at the beginning. And then after it finishes, you can start practicing. So there are different levels of English here, different courses you can choose from. Okay. Different lessons. If you start with lesson 1, then you will have to practice until you have 75% correct or more. You'll be awarded some certificates. Okay, so you can go from class 1 to class 8. Okay. Okay, so after this introductory message, you can start practicing. Okay, let's say I would like to practice English and I want to start with lesson 1. Okay, so in order to start practicing, I need to add this course. So I click add course, and then click lesson 1, okay, and then click go. So there'll be a lot of animated videos there. You'll be answering some questions. Okay. Okay, so I want you to try this app. I will send you a link that you could use to learn more about this application. So I hope you like it and have fun. Talk to you later. Bye.